Okay, so today we're going to be changing the gasket in this Mini 1.6. Now, it's not just the gasket that runs around here, but it's also gasket rubbers that hold here, because this bad boy, as you see, is well oily. And I think it's coming from that gasket right there. All that oil. Other ones don't seem to be as bad. Have a pull them out. There we go. That one's fine. That one looks fine. Kind of. Right, I have to get that one out in a minute. But as you see anyway, that one looks not too bad, that one looks awful, and that one looks perfect. So I think these gaskets in here are knackered. But I do know that the previous owner, when they were filling this up, used to miss, and it used to all drain down in there. So, quick check, we've got number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Oh, number 4, that one, which is the back one. Up there. So that's number 4 underneath. And that's number 3. Now that we've got these, pop this off, which is just that catch and that catch. And I'll catch up here in a sec. The new gaskets. Yay! And spark plugs are nice and clean now. A lot cleaner than they were. There we go. Nice and shiny down there, not full of oil.